Hello, friends. As we mentioned before, we are going to use tinkercad.com as a simulation website for our Arduino designs. I have to give you some information about Tinkercad. First of all, to enter the website, you have to go tinkercad.com, write the name of it, and reach this website. Then you have to find out if you previously just have an account in this website or not. If you have, you can just make a sign in or giriş yap, and just start to work with the circuits. Or if you are new, you have to just click the other button. Okay, you can add yourself to a class. For example, we have a classroom that is created before. So we can select this one to find our class. Okay. So we will have a class code that it is given to you. It is in your WhatsApp group. Okay. Then, because of it is our first time, we have to just give some account details. So do not select this one with nickname. Just select email or username. I need to give you an information that for some users that they entered their usernames and the other details, and their age is less than 18. The system is not asking for any email. So it is not a must for under 18 to have an email. So you can just, of course, if you have a username, you can just give a username here and continue. But we have to say that we are new in Autodesk, so we have to create a new account. Click this one. So it is going to ask the country. You can write either Turkey or Cyprus. It doesn't matter, I think. And let's give a straw birthday. Okay, next. Now you have to select a username. Sometimes it is given here a warning because that username is using by another user. That's why in this place, if it is giving you an error, that is the reason. So let's say this is my username. And the password, Password should be at least one letter, at least one number. In our password, it should be at least one letter, one number, and it should be at least 8 characters, and at least 3 letters should be not same. So do not write, 7 A's, something like that. So I am giving my password. By the way, be careful in this time, because it is not asking two times to enter the password. Create account. If you are in your personal computer, you can select to save your password. But if it is you are doing it in your school or in another place that it is not your computer, don't do it. Okay. So we are in now. Well, let's check when we log out how we can log in again. So I have to log out. Okay. This time I have to use sign in. Let's select sign in. Let's select again the students who has code. So I will select email or username. Okay. This is the point that I was talking about. If you are under 18, it is not asking, it is not a must to use a username, but some students used to use their emails to register, and now they are not remembering the emails. That was the problem. I mean, email password. Some of them email, some of them password. So this is my username, and then let's write my password. So as you see, you can easily log in with the way that I showed to you. Okay. So because of we entered our classroom, you can see that we are already there. So this will be important when I give you homework or some announcement. So let's continue to do a small exercise by using circuits. So to create a new design, you have to go to designs or tasarımlar. So we can say, click this button, create or oluştur in Turkish, and select circuit or circuits, devre in Turkish. Okay, here, as you see, there's an empty space that we can do our designs. Let's make a simple exercise that we did in classroom. So these items are like drag and drop. So you can drag them and drop them into the empty space. So you can do your experiments. So let's make their direction. Let's change the battery's direction to do something on an item. You have to click on it. So here also there are some extra options that we can modify these items. So we click on it and select turn. It is going to turn it to this way. Okay. Then let's add a LED. So our aim is to just make this LED to work. Okay, as you see, when you click on any item, you can change some properties, features. So we can make, for example, the LED yellow. Okay, as you see, LED is yellow. Then what we have to do, we have to just connect this power supply, the battery, with the LED. LED has a feature that normally when I just connect the cables to the positive side of the battery and the negative side as well with the LED, it should work. But LED has a difference that it has a positive and negative legs. So this is anode, it is positive. This is cathode, it is negative. So I have to connect the LEDs, I mean, positive to positive and negative to negative. So these are our cables. So I can select a cable like this. I said that this is negative, that's connected to negative. And like this. Okay. So we connect. Now, I don't like this kind of view because cables are like they are cross each other. So it will be confusing. So what can I do? Think about that. The battery is in left side, we have positive, in right side, we have negative. Like in real life, if I turn it on the other side, this cross will be straight. So let's do this by using mirror. This is just turning the view as a mirror. Because of I made a mistake while anyway, I connected wrong. Let me to correct it. You can click on any wire and press delete. So this one is negative, it is correct. This one is positive. Okay. So now I connected cathode to negative, I connected anode to positive. Now, what can I do? One more thing, it is very important to make a coding for the cables. Cable are cable always. They are just passing the current. But if I, for example, make this one red, it will be understood that this cable is connected to a positive power or power supply. And if I make this black, this will be this is connected to ground or negative. So it can be understood easily. So it is a good designing to make coding. So let's start our simulator. Okay. So as you see, LED is on now, but it is a warning as well. What is it? The maximum value that it should go through inside the wires and also the LED. It is related to LED, of course. It should be at most 20 milliamperes. But here we have 915 milliamperes, which is more than 45 times than this LED can handle. So in real life, most probably it will burn. So what can we do? We can just select a smaller power supply. So let's delete this one. The previous one was 9 volts. This is 1.5 volt. By the way, there's a formula for that. So do not think that the current will be 6 times less. It will be much more. So again, as you see, we have a positive and negative. So I can, by the way, directly just connect it. Like make the last one red. Okay. Now let's start simulator. By the way, when you click this, your design will start to work. Otherwise, it will not work. Okay. Can you see it is open now? It is closed. So this much current that passing through the LED is not giving any warning. Okay. So this one, if I do it in real life by using a 1.5 volt of battery, it will not burn my LED. But let's increase the batteries. Like, what did I say to you? When you click on one item, you can see the properties, you can see the features, what kind of modifications we can do. So what if I put 4 batteries at the same time? So now the power is 6 volts, and most probably it will give me a warning again. Let's start. Yes. As you see, this time the maximum milliampere value is 20 again, because we are using same device. But on the other hand, we have 487 milliampere current. So it is too much again. So, and this happens sometimes in our homes. And sometimes if there is not a protection, when there is an electricity cut occurs and then come back, in this case, sometimes very huge current is coming from the company, and it will burn our devices sometimes. So what we can do to just avoid this kind of situations, for example, we can put resistor to just avoid to pass more current than we expect. So we have 6 volt of batteries. So let's put a resistor in between. This is the resistor. As you see, there are some values. So there's only one resistor. In real life, we have several resistors. We can do this easily. This is 1 kilo ohm. I didn't change it. Let's connect the resistor. Let's make it black again. Okay. So we connected the resistor. It is 1 kilo ohm. Kilo means thousands. So ohm is the unit of this resistors. So 1 kilo ohm means 1000 ohm. More numbers is means that this bigger numbers means that this resistor having giving more power on this circuit. So it means less current will pass through. Okay. So let's start simulation. As you see, we don't have any warning because of this resistor. So if I make this resistor more powerful, my LED will shine less, okay? Or it will be too powerful for the circuit, and it will not open. It won't give any light. Let me to make million ohm. Million means, as you know, 1 million mega ohm. Sorry. As you see, when I make mega ohm, the current, because of the resistor is so strong, current will not pass enough, I mean, enough current there, so it will not be open. Okay, kilo ohm here. That's I made it 1 million. Let's make it hundreds or 10 kilo ohm. Okay. As you see, when stop, it will understood better. As you see, it is not just giving a very strong light, but it is still giving some light. So more powerful resistor will give more power, just opposite to the circuit. So also we can decrease the power of the resistor. So in this case, for example, when I make it micro ohm, micro is 1/1000 of 1 ohm. So let's see what will happen. As you see, it is again give warning because this LED is very this resistor's power is so less in this case, so the whole current can pass, and because of the power of the batteries are too much for this LED, it will give warning again. Okay. Okay, so till now, actually, we did these things. I just gave it as a generic information, and I will continue to make this kind of videos to help you while you are studying.